is the Fj40. Let's see how these hubcaps look on it. Wow, look at that. Completely changed the look of the FJ.
And now let me show you how to add hubcaps to your Fj40 wheels.
This here is a hubcap clip. The reason you're gonna wanna weld these on is because you may have a Toyota mini wheel. This is what's found on Toyota pickups and 4Runners. It looks just like a Landcruiser wheel. However, you don't have these clips on to put on those sweet hubcaps. You can bolt it in, rivet it in, or in my case, weld it in. So I'm just gonna go with the welder because, well, there's the welder.
Thanks to Kyle for letting me use it.
So you're gonna first start off, what I like to do is clean up right here. So I'll just go with a flapper wheel and a grinder and just clean it off so you have a nice clean surface to weld on, because this is a little oily. So there you go. See, nice clean surface to weld on. Grind off the paint right here. I want to position it about right here. There's a little lip right here that you can feel. And then this here has a little like nice contour to it. You're gonna wanna lay it around right there, like that. So before we get to it, we're gonna go ahead and clean all these up. So you're gonna wanna be careful. I did nick the wheel up here a bit. Luckily the hubcap will cover it. I'm not painting these wheels because I am going for that original patina look. However, I will end up masking this and shooting everything with some paint so I don't develop some serious rust. Anyways, head and align these here. So like I said, you're gonna kind of go up on that lip here. You don't want to go too far down because then you're not gonna have enough pressure on the hubcap. You want it to be about right here because the hubcap lip will slide in here and this puts pressure on it. So you pretty much get it here. Make sure you're straight. Yourself some vice grips. We're gonna clamp down right there. It looks straight, looks good. I mean, it really doesn't matter because the hubcaps are gonna cover it, but it's always nice to do the cleanest job possible. It's always... It blinded me, guys. Make sure you have a good helmet. It blinded me. You don't really want to lay a fat weld like that. It's not very nice. See, it happens. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. You know, some of them don't look the best, but I did get blinded. One thing I did do, if you look right here, guys, we're going to hit it here, but I'm also going to throw another tack back here. That way it adds extra support to the clip. So I'm going to go ahead and give the back one a quick one. Alyssa, don't worry, I'm not going to blind you.
Right.
All right, the helmet seemed to cooperate that time. But there it is. So pretty much that's how you're gonna do it. One in the middle and then one back here to support it. So we're gonna go ahead and do the rest. So guys, see on this clip right here, this is about a weld how you're gonna wanna lay it. See how I laid a nice, beautiful plug right there? And then that one right there, that's about what you're gonna wanna shoot for. I mean, that's the best my welds currently get. I do need to practice more on it, but hey, it holds and the hubcap's gonna cover it, so it is what it is. There's the other ones, see, they're not as pretty, but this third one right here, definitely the nicest one of the bunch. Also for hubcaps, I am using the OEM hubcaps as Toyota still makes them, so they're pretty inexpensive. They're about 22 bucks a piece. Would highly recommend just buying them from Toyota because, well, nothing beats OEM quality. Look at this thing, beautiful. It still snaps on pretty good. You can adjust it if you find it being a little loose on a few wheels. I push the tabs out a little bit to create more pressure, but this thing still holds with 3 of them on. Not bad. Pretty sweet. So yeah, guys, that pretty much sums up the video for this week on the Landcruiser. Stay tuned for the next video because
Upholstering the seats and adding seat belts because we've been driving without seat belts.